Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM UK time because I am British, I live in the UK, and I will also post occasionally on other days when I am in collabs or open invites with other YouTubers. So I hope you enjoy. Please push that notification bell so you don't miss out on all my videos. Or any of my videos, because obviously I post randomly too, as well as my scheduled days, but that is only occasionally. So today I am going to share with you my Papergang box for April. Now I really enjoy my subscription boxes, but I fancy a change. I fancy like a bit of a mix-up, or just to leave them for a few months. So this might be my last Papergang box for a while. I've not opened it yet, so you can change my mind and I could change my mind in seconds, basically, from opening this. I love the print of the box, which is this. It's like marble in bright pinks, purples and yellows. It's just amazing, and it's like every box comes with the sleeve and the cardboard box. Isn't that just beautiful? And then the back doesn't have any origami this time, it just has two bookmarks, which I think are cute as well when they're in the marble again. So I'm going to open this now with you. A box costs £12.50 a month. It is a UK brand, but I do know that it ships everywhere worldwide. I'm not sure how much postage was to America or anything like that, but I know Shannon, if Shannon's watching, will you let us know how much it costs to ship to you? Because I know she watched my videos, or watches my videos, and she found me through Papergang basically. So I know she bought a few boxes. Well, hey, we're out. Right, so this just comes out like this. It's always like this. I've had one box that isn't, but I think for £12.50 is pretty good actually, for what you get, or what I normally get, but we'll see. So it's always a cardboard box like this, except once. Inside on the lid it tells you how Papergang works, and then it always has tissue paper inside, which normally goes with the theme, but this is black, but I would say that the box is purple. But there we go. So I'm going to open this now and share with you what's inside. I have not opened it yet. It's just been sitting on the dining room table waiting for me. Oh, this is perfect. Right, so the first thing I've picked out, well I've not, I've just flipped it all over to pick this out, is this Oh Dear Papergang book. Before I carry on, if you want to order your own Papergang or something from this box, links down below for you. So it tells you a bit about the collabor. Oh, that's really cool actually, a bit about her. Then it says, so she is Melanie, I think, and then it tells you about Papergang and how to get a free box, but it just talks about her. Which is quite interesting, and then at the front it tells me how much everything is. So that's why I wanted to get that out first, so I could tell you everything, because majority of the time you can buy everything from this box without buying the actual box, so that's why I thought I would share the pricing. So the first thing I'm going to pick out is this, which is a pencil case, and it is all marble themed by the looks of it. Now I start floristry on the 23rd of March, so a week and a bit away, and I need a pencil case to put in my secateurs, I think they're called. Don't quote me on that because I know I'm probably getting it wrong, and some scissors, which I'm going to Hobbycraft for today. But this might be too small, but I wanted a pencil case because you need to take a pen and a notebook as well to write notes, because we're actually doing a proper qualification. So if I can, I will use this definitely, because I think it's cool. I love the marble effect, and I had a marble kit when I was younger to make marbled paper. It's just amazing. So this retails at £5.95 if you want to buy that. Maybe it comes in different colours, I'm not sure, but I just love the marble effect on it. So yeah, £5.95 yeah, £5.95 for that. Next up, I have this washi tape, which is really, it's marbled again. I need some new washi tapes. This is perfect, but it's kind of dull colouring marble. It's green and like dark green, but there's not much light to it. I'm trying to find the best light bit to show you. And if you wanted this, is £2.95, but I use washi tape quite a lot. If you haven't seen my collabs with Beck's Corner or other bullet journal ones, if you want to see me do more bullet journal videos, let me know in the comments down below. So this is the washi tape. I'm going to try my best to find a bit with most green on. Actually, it's really cool, even though it's quite dark and wishy-washy washi tape. It is really nice to have a variety of washi tape, especially if you're bullet journaling, just to add that extra something to cheer you up or detail your bullet journal. So I really love this, and it won't be long before my niece steals this from me, but this is what I got for £2.95, and that's quite a big reel, so it will last you a long time. Also, another tip, if you have washi tape but you don't have a bookmark, if you just cut a bit of washi tape off and bend it over in half. In fact, I could probably show you, hang on. Here you go. This is what I'm talking about. Here in the corner, that's a bit of washi tape, and all I've done is folded it over with enough on the page to keep it in place, and it just holds the bookmark for where I am, which is pretty handy actually to use. And I know if you've got an important page that you want to keep and look back and refer to, then if you bind it, the whole line, outside line in it, that really works too. So that is a way to use washi tape if you didn't really know what washi tape is used for. There are just two ways to use washi tape. That's £2.95. The next thing I have got, which I actually think is very British, is to send birthday cards and cards for thanking people, etc, etc. Just general giving cards. So these are 3 greeting cards, and they are retailed for all 3 of them at £8.25. So the first one is just this one, and just says yay on it, so it'd be like a congratulations or just a general card. And I love the printed marble on it. It's super cute. Well, actually it's kind of like blurry, swirly, but I just love the colours and the vibrance of it. The second one I have got is a happy birthday card, and I love this too. It's like where the paint's dripped down, and I just think it's really cool. I'm sorry, the ring light's in the way. And then the last one is a thank you card. Again, I love this because it is like when you get a rainbow and you look into the puddle and there's like the rainbow glistening in it, and this is really like greys and blacks and whites even, and then it's just got the reflection of like the rainbow colour in the middle, and I really like this one. I think this is quite effective. And I'm not sure if you can buy them separately, but if you buy all 3, they're £8.25. And I send cards for all different reasons, because I just think it's nice, and also like receiving them. Do you send birthday cards, thank you cards, whatever cards, general cards, or not? I'm pretty sure that it is just a British sort of thing, but I'm not sure. So the next thing I've picked out is something that you cannot buy, but you can buy if you buy the box. Also, if you buy the box, you don't have to buy it now. It's available for the next few months. So if you like this box but you didn't want to subscribe, you could just buy this box as a one-off. So this is the calendar month, and you'll see that majority of the time I use these in my hello whatever month it is for Instagram. I just love the colouring of this. Of course it's pink and it's just amazing, like with the marble, so that's why I like that. But yeah, you can't buy that unless you buy the box. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, or if you've seen my Instagrams, you'll see that I use these all the time, and my Instagram's in the link in the comment, and my Instagram is in the description box down below if you want to follow me on that. The next thing, which is absolutely perfect, because in fact I can use both of them. So I need notepads for college for this floristry course, and I was gonna go get some anyway just to make notes and stuff, but I've got a sketch pad which I think maybe would be better, and I've got a notepad, but I'm not sure if I'll take both or just one of them, because I'm not sure if I'll be sketching more or sketching my ideas or what. But I prefer the pink one, but that's just because of me personally. So if you want to buy these two, it's £11 for both of them. This one's the sketchbook, and this is just plain paper inside. And this is just good for sketching, anything really. But I just love how the colours are on this, how, especially the back. I'll show you the back in a minute. Back is just so bright and vibrant and happy. So this is my sketchbook, and then this one, again, it seems the back is more colourful than the front. And this is just line paper. And they are £11 for both of them. I don't know what to take with me. Maybe I'll take both, because I feel like sketching helps me more to learn. I don't know. But anyway, I love both of them. And that is everything I got in my Papergang box for the month of April. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Please comment down below your favourite item from this box and one you would like to receive. Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye!